Winston CVap RTV or Re-therm ovens provide power in your kitchen and allow for fast, accurate cooking. Winston RTV units boast the most kilowatt cooking power of any other ovens in our product suite. RTV units are perfect for bringing frozen or prepared foods up to serving temperature. Even scratch cooking is a snap. RTV ovens are often compared to combis, but more flexible and don't come with a higher cost and crazy maintenance schedules. Some of the most notable features and benefits of Winston RTV units include C-Vap technology provides a dual temperature control consisting of vapor and air temperatures. Our boilerless vapor system in combination with our dry air abilities allow you to create the perfect environment for any products you are cooking or holding, generating consistent results cook after cook. RTV units do not require the use of a vent hood, allowing you to save valuable hood space by placing your unit anywhere there is power. This is ideal for remote kitchens, ghost kitchens, and non-traditional installs. Power equals performance. Our RTV cabinets boast the most cooking power in terms of watt density Winston offers. CVap technology is extremely versatile. You can cook, hold, re-therm, bake, braise, steam, slow cook and roast, sous vide, proof, confit, CVap stage, and more, all with a single unit. Our RTV units have 8 programmable channels, which allow for preset cooking cycles of favorite menu items, cooking favorite menu items with the press of a button. Probe cooking is available in 7 series models. Cook with the dependability and accuracy of using a probe. The probe precisely monitors the temperature of your item until it reaches the set probe temperature. The cabinet then adjusts to the perfect holding environment for your product. Series 7 RTV units allow for full control of the convection feature. This means you can operate the oven with the convection fan on or off for a more gentle cooking and/or holding cycle. When your RTV cabinet finishes your program cooking process, it will then automatically roll into a hold mode. This allows you to cook your food and safely hold it until it is ready to serve, eliminating the need for a second piece of equipment. You can cut down on the labor of transferring food to another holding device. The delay start feature allows your unit to be programmed to preheat to your selected set points prior to the start of the day. Your oven will then be ready to cook when you walk in the door, saving you time and labor. The built-in security allows for your controller to be locked. This eliminates the possibility of accidentally changing your preferred settings during use or cleaning. Auto water fill automatically adds water to the water bath to ensure your cooking or holding cycles never run out of vapor. Available in full-size, half-size, stackable, and under-counter sizes. Depending on the size of the unit, RTVs can fit 4 to 14 sheet pans, 8 to 28 half-sheet pans, and 8 to 28 hotel pans on 3.5-inch spacing. The included stainless steel wire racks are adjustable to accommodate larger items. Available with large viewing windows for easy viewing of cabinet inventory, making production and inventory control a breeze. Durable OEM handles, hinges, and gaskets hold up over time, extending the life of the cabinet. Our capacitive touchscreen controls allows for easily adjusting settings. The digital display is easy to read and see your current program operation. Easy to clean, no switches to break, intuitive use and programming throughout the control platform. Winston RTV units don't need calibration and don't require the chemicals and hassles that come with traditional combi ovens. The boilerless system is a strong alternative to combis without the cost or maintenance. Winston Series 7 RTV units include Nfc Connectivity, allowing for wireless preset loading and menu setting. Allows managers to upload favorite cook cycles via smart device or with preloaded USB devices. This eliminates wrong cooking cycles, saving labor loss due to over or undercooking. A convenient USB port allows for uploading of presets as well as downloading HACCP data. All HACCP data is monitored and stored on your equipment for up to 2 years, making compliance a breeze. Easily download your data to a USB device for record keeping. The audio port even allows you to play your music via a 3mm cable through the unit's built-in speaker. If you have any questions regarding the features and benefits of Winston RTV ovens, please contact our customer care department. They would be happy to assist.